Guys, Yuli is back. Ayan na guys. Nakarating lang nung kasama ko galing sa Indonesia. Ayan.
Tired eh.
Ayan na guys.
Duty 2 weeks but very tired eh. Very to do the house huh?
At,
Nothing inside you know?
so guys, dito, pag galing ka nag-travel, kailangan mong punasan ang mga luggage bago ipasok sa bahay. Ayan.
Yeah, I was me.
No? Today,
Suddenly
yeah. So, umuulan dito guys. Ayan siya. Naligo na muna siya. Buksan niya guys.
Oh, my brother.
Ha?
I decide my brother.
Open na niya guys ang kanyang luggage. What's inside the luggage? Wow. Come po sit here.
For you, but you repeat it.
Thank you. Oh. Ito guys, para daw sa akin. And what is this? Oh, the purple sweet potato. Where is the money?
Well, my
Gusto
money.
mo.
Also already. My money.
Sit down, sit down.
My money. Also.
Ayan na pala yun. Oh, just put there.
Actually, that one can go in. Some in can carry. Thick, you know, ka.
What?
Luckily in the.
Ah. So this one guys ay pinabili ng friend ko. I order ng friend ko yan. Yan mga yan $88. She say $88. This one.
Almost 1 juta. 1
Mm-mm.
juta money Indonesia. G1.
Charan, what is
Pop
this?
ice. This one from Adam. Some Adam Thick.
Oh, okay. Thank you ito guys. Ay, what is this pop ice?
Pop ice.
Juice.
Juice. This one is for you.
This one. Okay.
This one is. Kasi can make something. This one pandan cake. From Adam.
Alam nyo guys, yan papaya yan. Green papaya, then noodles. Then yun lang.
This one for
Ida, yan mga perfume.
Just different.
So ayan lang guys, lahat ang laman. Ito ay green papaya galing sa garden niya. Because so ayan na guys, empty na. Ha? What? So ayan pa guys yung kanyang small luggage. Yung mga damit, mga your own clothes. Ayan na.
Just choose ya kak. You want to
Who
red
give?
or black? This one
Who give? Who give that one? You buy? Oh, okay.
me and Sandy just not in Jogja.
Oh,
Because from Jogja man.
okay.
Either with kakak choose red or this is a little
Ida, this is for you. Togo Kalupang Jada Tempe. Ayan
Oh
guys.
my friend.
Jogja guys.
I think
Indonesia.
Mami go there before
Ayan o.
Jogja.
Yung mga damit niya lang. Mga clothes. This one I think from here.
Yeah, again. This one.
I think this one is from Philippines, you know?
Yeah,
Ay, okay.
Okay from Philippines.
So, ayan lang guys, mga old damit niya na yan. And then, ayan na nga guys, yung mga pasalubong ko galing sa kanya. T-shirt. Ayan. Ice pop. Ayan. Here.
Sir, you only ma'am?
So, ito guys, lahat ang mga pasalubong ni Yuli. Itong perfume ay pinabili ng kapitbahay ko sa kanya. So, yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces ay $88 yan. May t-shirt, may hopyang ube, may noodles, Siyempre, yung binilin ko sa kanya papaya, sabi ko kumuha ka ng papaya kaya magtitinola kami. So, ayan guys. So, yun lang guys. At ayan na siya. Nagliligpit na.
Yeah.